and then you'll click the ending cell so that it gets everything in between. You need to know that because when you're writing a three-dimensional formula, you're going to be selecting a range of sheets instead of a range of cells, but you'll do it the exact same way. If I wanted to select the sheet Australia all the way to South America, I'm going to make sure Australia has been clicked on. I'm going to hold Shift and I'm going to click South America. And you can see the sheet tabs all look like they've been selected when you do that. If you type something on a sheet tab that's part of a range of sheets that's selected like this, it's going to be on every sheet. Let me give you a little example. I'll put Books and Beyond here. Now I've just typed it on the Australia sheet, but notice I can click North America and it's in the same place, South America it's in the same place, and so forth. I'm going to delete that. And then if you want to deselect a range of sheets, then you just go ahead and click a sheet not in the range. Now let me go back to summary and I'll show you how to write a three-dimensional formula. I'm going to start in B4. What I want to do is add cell B4 from all four of these sheets and put the answer on the summary sheet. You're going to start with equals so that it knows it's writing a formula. We're going to put in the function the word sum, which means add. And make sure you have the open parenthesis because remember all ranges have to be in parentheses. It's easy to forget that one step. Now I'm going to click on the first sheet that I want to add from. Then I'm going to click the cell I'd like Excel to add for me. And the only thing left now is to say add the rest of these sheets. To get the range, I'm going to hold Shift and click South America. Now I'm going to hit the Enter key. Don't click over on the summary sheet because then that will just replace whatever you typed in. I'm just hitting Enter and now I've got 900. Now let me open up this formula so you can see what it looks like. Notice it says you want to add the range Australia through South America, and on all four of those sheets you want to add cell B4. Let me do a couple more so you can get the feel for how this works. We'll do our software. I'm going to start with equals. I'm going to put in the function, in this case the word sum. Make sure you have the open parenthesis. Go to the first sheet you want to add from. Click in the cell you'd like to add. Hold Shift and click South America. Then just hit the Enter key. One more. I'm going to add the furniture. I'll start with equals. I want to have the word sum, which is the function in there, and then an open parenthesis. I'm going to click the first sheet I'm adding from. I'm going to click in B6, hold Shift and click South America, and then hit the Enter key. And you get the idea that you just do them all the exact same way. Now you can just do one and then use your fill handle to copy the others down. Once you've copied them down, then you can pick the fill handle back up and go across. But make sure that first one's correct because remember, if it's wrong, they're all going to be wrong. And this is something you just have to practice. Once you do 2 or 3 and you get it, you'll realize it's super easy to do. But just make sure you watch the video and go back through the exact